What's something people don't know about making game passes on mobile? You don't need a computer at all. Let's unlock those donations right from your phone. First, open your mobile browser, not the Roblox app, and go to roblox.com. Log in, tap Create, and if you don't see it, switch to desktop mode in your browser settings. In Creator Hub, tap the menu, then Creations. Find your experience, usually your default place, and select it. Next, on the left, hit Monetization, then Passes. Tap Create a Pass, upload a fun icon, and give your game pass a catchy name. This is what people see in PLS Donate. Add a description if you want, then click Create Pass. Now click your new pass, select Sales, set it for sale, and choose your price. Remember, Roblox takes 30%, so plan your price. Finally, open the Roblox app, join PLS Donate, and claim a stand. Your game pass should show up. Quick tip: use bright images and keep your place public. Try it out now and start earning those Robux.